Hello there, it's so lovely to meet you. My name is Bonnie McBain. We've got an exciting learning journey ahead of us in environmental management, but before we launch into what we'll be learning, I think it's really important to know why. I think it's fair to presume that you're aware that environmental problems are some of the biggest challenges that face humanity. It might be a little bit more confronting for many of you to find out that environmental management is failing to address many of these complex challenges. It might be even more confronting to know that environmental management may even be implicated and partially responsible for perpetuating the failure of environmental management. Why is this? Wickedness, that's why. No, I don't mean moral depravity. Wicked problems are another name for a special type of complex problem recognised by those working in sustainability. We can see why current management is not equipped to deal with wicked problems by understanding that our approaches originated over 300 years ago during the Renaissance. The type of world they were developed for no longer exists. The Renaissance saw the development of rational, scientific methods that systematically tested hypotheses by making independent and objective observations. The logic behind the scientific approach was that all issues are potentially knowable. We merely require the collection of more data. Decision-making could be rationally informed by the authority of good science, and a long history of such decision-making has led our society to believe that the world is ordered and predictable and controllable. But such perfectly behaving and knowable issues don't reflect the real world in which we exist in today. Uncertainty is growing, and it's being used to justify a lack of action, even for problems requiring urgent solutions such as environmental ones. Our world is becoming increasingly polarised and acrimonious as issues are becoming more value and conflict-laden. Challenging issues don't just have a single dimension. They're economic, they're social, they're political, they're institutional and environmental, all intertwined. Changing something results in unintentional and unexpected changes elsewhere, leading to unpredictability. Rapid change is now the norm, and this has led to increasing volatility, and policy failure in politics has seen a decrease in public trust and authority. Right now, that might seem a little bit overwhelming, but by the time you finish studying in this course, you'll have the skills and understanding to know how to address just these sorts of challenges. You'll be able to understand the world in a different way. Sustainability isn't about doom and gloom. I think of our job as cleaning up the wickedness and the mess. It's about working with, not against complexity. And I really look forward to supporting you on that journey.